Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, we have to open the contact list and find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. So in my case it will be Anna, and now we have to tap on this camera icon right in the middle. And as you can see, we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. So we can pick stickers, AR emojis, the camera option, or the gallery. By tapping on the camera, your device will simply open the camera app, and this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you. Or we can pick it from the gallery. So I will pick this option, and as you can see here, we've got our own photos. So just find the one you'd like to use and tap on it. And as you can see, from this tab we can adjust the size, the position of the square and the circle inside it, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. So just position it like you want to, and if you're happy, just tap on done. As you can see, it will immediately appear right here. So again, if you are happy, just tap on save, and as you can see here, we've got the photo. It will be also visible on the contact list. So actually, this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.